is the Ford 4000 operating a John Deere RC 2072 6-foot cutter. Both tractor and cutter are sold separately. Since the pictures were taken, the tractor did get a new battery and the muffler has been straightened. And this is Bo from our service department operating.